Hi, welcome to Tech Inspect. In this video, we will see how to install and configure MongoDB database in local machine. MongoDB is a cross-platform NoSQL document database. It stores data in JSON-like documents. One main benefit of MongoDB is that it handles large unstructured data and it is magically faster. To install MongoDB, first of all, search for MongoDB in Google and open the first or the second link of MongoDB official website mongodb.com. After that, hover over the software tab and click on community server. In the community server, it will automatically select best setting for your system, or you can change the version and the operating system in the drop-down menu. Click on the leave everything on the default settings and then click on the download button. It will start downloading MongoDB setup file. Wait for the download to complete. It is almost 212 MB file. After the downloading is completed, open the folder where you have downloaded the MongoDB. Double-click on the file to start the MongoDB installer. Click on the Next button. Accept the MongoDB license by clicking on the checkbox button. Now select the custom option and then change the MongoDB installation folder if you want to. I am changing from C drive to D drive. Click on the Next button. You can either install MongoDB as a service or uncheck the option to run standalone MongoDB. MongoDB as a service means that MongoDB service will run when you start your system. So I am unchecking this option to minimize the system load on startup. Make sure to check the MongoDB compass and then click on the Next button. Install MongoDB. The installation will start. Wait for the installation to complete. After the installation is completed, it will open MongoDB Compass. Go through the MongoDB Compass overview, then click on this Get Started button. Check the options that you need for MongoDB. I am unchecking the feedback test and automatic updates option. Click on the Start using Compass option. When you click on the connect, it will not connect because we need to turn on the MongoDB server first. So let's close this and go to the location where you have installed MongoDB. I have installed MongoDB in D drive. Go to the MongoDB installation folder, and there are two files in the bin folder of MongoDB. One is MongoD and the other is mongo.exe file. MongoD is the server file and mongo.exe is the client file. We need to run the server file to run MongoDB Compass or Mongo client. Open CMD and change the directory to the bin folder of the drive where you have installed MongoDB. Write MongoD and and as you can see that the server is not running and it is giving errors. So if as the server is not running, let's try to open MongoDB client in another command prompt. It will give error because the MongoDB client needs MongoDB server to perform its operations. So let's quickly fix the issue. It needs the data/db folder in the drive from where you are running MongoDB server. So let's back to the T drive and create a new folder. The folder name is data, and then inside of data a new folder called db. Let's change the D of data from capital D to small. Now again run the MongoDB server, and this time it will successfully run the MongoDB server. After running the MongoDB server, you can successfully run the MongoDB client machine and MongoDB compass. Leave the connection string field empty and click on the connect button. It will connect the MongoDB compass to the MongoDB server. There are three databases by default, that is admin, config and the local. To create database, click on the create database, name the new database and then click the create database button. It will create the database in MongoDB campus, and you can add schemas, you can add collections by clicking on the create collection inside the database. Let's close this campus, and now we want to run the MongoDB server from anywhere without changing the location in command prompt each time we need to run the server. So to do so, open the bin folder of the drive where you have installed the MongoDB. Copy the location and then back to this PC location. Right click anywhere on the window and then select properties option. Click on advanced system settings and then click on environment variables. Choose the path variable in the system variables and then click on the new variable and paste the location of MongoDB installation. Click on the OK button and save the changes. Now you can run the MongoDB server from anywhere from CMD. Now it's again giving the missing data/db folder because we are running the MongoDB server from C drive. Therefore we need to create the data/db folder in C drive as well. So let's quickly fix this and create the data/db file in C drive. After creating the file, now you can run the MongoDB server by entering MongoD in command prompt from any location in the command prompt, and you can Run the MongoDB server as well as MongoDB client using the command prompt default directory. So that's all for this video. If you are facing any issue in installing and configuring MongoDB on your local machine, then you can comment and I will try to answer all your questions. So thank you so much for watching, and if you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe the Tech Inspect YouTube channel by pressing on the subscribe button below this video and the bell button for notification of new videos. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.